Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another advent calendar. This time we'll have the advent calendar from Birchbox. If you watch my channel you know that I have the monthly subscription. I love even more their limited edition boxes, and the calendar is not an exception. I got the calendar last year also and I like it. It's one of those calendars on the more affordable side. So let's go ahead and see what Birchbox has for us in 2018. Here is the box. It's not a big box, and in this one they say here celebrate the season with 12 days of Birchbox beauty goodies. So the box is print with gold and white print. Looks like this. As I told you, and probably if you watch my channel you know that I love their limited edition boxes. Pretty nice for the price comparing with others. Inside this box the calendar looks like this. We have a green print with pink, white, gold also. It's pretty nice as design. And let's go ahead and see. Oh, of course we have big white numbers, which is great. Anyway, let's go ahead and see what we have in this one, and you let me know in the comments down below if you like this calendar. So far we have day number 1-3. It seems like the days are in order on the row. So day number 1, for day number 1 we have Love of Color, and this one is Liquid Shimmer Shadow eyeshadow. I have one of these in my project pen. I don't know exactly if it's the same one. It's not the liquid one, the one I'm using. Here is this shade, and let me swatch this one. Has a very light formula, but a great pigmentation, and it's already dry, so seems to be a good product in here. Love of Color comes in many beauty boxes, so this is a deluxe sample. And then we have day number 2, and for day number 2 we have a hair product. This is the Y Hair Care. Is volume spray in 0.84 fluid ounce, which is 25 milliliters. Here is another product that comes very often in boxes. It's a good brand. I like it. Probably there is just one product that it's so for me. So far I enjoy this product when I use it. Then we have day number 3. This time we have an Ico London. This is the liquid eyeliner in black. It's another product that comes very often in boxes, and for that reason I'm not gonna show you the tip because I wanna put this one in giveaways. I got this in all the sizes possible, so I'll leave this deluxe sample for giveaways. It's a good brand. For day number 4, and I hope you can see this one, we have another hair product in a deluxe sample. This is from Amica. Is the Soul Food Nourishing Mask. Is this one right here, and this one comes with 20 milliliters, which is 0.68 US fluid ounces. Amica, it's a nice brand. I tried a couple of their products and I did like them. Then we have day number 5, and for day number 5 we have a tiny guy, and it cannot be other than Sandy Riley. It seems like it comes in almost beauty boxes, and I don't complain about that. I love Sandy Riley. This is the Serum 15% vitamin C rapid flash brightening serum. Is this tiny guy. Then we have day number 6, and for day number 6 we have Jouer And this one is Essential Lip Enhancer Conditioning Lip Treatment in 10 milliliters. Here is the box for this one. This one seems to be a full size and looks like this. So beauty boxes are coming with so many lip products. Then we have day number 7, and day number 7 is down here. We have that brand that I never know how to pronounce it. This is the Malin and Gets, not so sure about that, grapefruit face cleanser in 0.5 fluid ounces, which is 15 milliliters. As far as I know, it's a brand with natural ingredients. I tried one of their face cleanser a long time ago, and I really don't remember how it was, but I know from some of you, because I keep commenting with you, talking with you in the comments down below, I heard from some of you that it's a nice, pretty nice brand. Then we have day number 8, which is here. And this time we have LXM I'm not sure, anyway, is this product. You saw this product if you watch my channel in one of the samples of the week, and not just. This is the Creme de Nil. It's Nilotica with Nilotica Reserve, and I believe this one is the balm. It's a product that you can use as a overnight mask also. Makes a big difference in your skin textures. I like this one. It's kind of I wouldn't say heavy, but it's as formula it's a balm, if it's that one, because I don't see any other description here. And let's see if we have on the back what they say about this one. The Nilotica, they don't say, they say just the name and the quantity. So this one here I will have in my favorites if I will have the chance to film that, because it's kind of hard for me to film right now. But anyway, I have from this brand a favorite product in my I will have in my empty favorites for what month? October. Then we have day number 9 here. And this time we have a mask. This is from Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay, Detoxify and Brighten. This one comes in 13 grams. I tried the blue one and I really enjoy using that one. I'm sure this one is as great as the other one. I didn't use this one yet, but so far the blue one was really nice, the one that come in blue packaging. Then we have day number 10 here, and day number 10 comes with an Oribe product, which is Mystify Restyling Spray. Is this one. I'm using one of these, probably still from Birchbox right now. I love Oribe. If you are a FabFitFun member, they have right now in the add-ons so many great products, and of course Oribe is one of them. They have the hair products and the body products also, and not just that, they have also face cream. So you're gonna see those probably in my haul from FabFitFun with the winter box. But so far, and also Birchbox has a limited edition just with Oribe products, which are nice, very expensive in my opinion, but when you find them, get them in with a big discount, it's well worth it to buy. Also, if you place an order with Birchbox, don't forget to choose your free gift. Day number 11. We have another hair product, and this is Air & Co Waterfall Moisture and Shine Lotion. Is this one. Another brand that comes often in boxes. day number 12. And actually we have 14 in this one. Yeah, it says celebrate the season with 12 days. Don't worry, we included a few extra. So we have 2 items bonus. So far for day number 12, we have a wink from Winky Looks. This is Strobing Balm Radiant Pink. I talked about this one a couple times on my channel. I will show you the color of this one. It's a very light formula. I told you before, when I tried this one first time, my finger went through the bottom. So if you get one of these, be careful when you try to apply this one, because I have one of these. I will leave it for giveaways. It's a pretty nice color. Then we have day number 13, and here are those 2 extras, 2 bonus products. And those are a full-size mascara, and this is the very well known from Benefit. It's Bad Girl Bang. Is the in a full size. Somehow I didn't try this one yet, but I heard from you great things about. And for last day, for day number 14, the second bonus, it's a lipstick from Lipstick Queen. It's Frog Prince in a full size. It's that green lipstick that change color by your lips pH. And I'm gonna show you the size of this one. So here is the product, and looks like this. And usually when my lips turns into kind of a pink color. So here is the last product in here, in the Birchbox advent calendar for 2018. So far we have in here hair care, makeup, and skincare. We have a face cleanser, a serum, this face balm, and a mask. 4 items for face. As makeup, we have an eyeshadow, a full-size mascara, a deluxe sample eyeliner, and a lipstick in full size, and also a lip treatment, and strobing cream in pink from Winky Looks. The rest of them, the 4 of them, are hair products, which are great brands in here. So you let me know what do you think about this box. I will leave the price on the screen, and also if I'll find the value, I will leave the value in the description box. You're gonna find always the links for those boxes. That's kind of all for now. Thank you so much for stopping by and watch another video, another unboxing, another advent calendar. I will see you guys with a new video. Right now I'm filming, but I don't know in each order I will post them. Anyway, thank you so much for stopping by again. I wish you an amazing day or night. See you soon. Bye bye.